Now moving to the storage formats. Okay, so before moving to storage formats, I would like to tell you that there are several systems available for data storage. Something like you might have heard of HBase. HBase is a software where you can place your data as a key value pair. There's also Cassandra and multiple options available for storing data, but that you can explore it offline or after talk. But what I'm focusing in this talk is something like what is underlying among those high performance system. So okay, so in those systems, data is generally stored in these formats. One is record columnar file, ORC, which is optimized row columnar, Parquet, and Avro. So these storage formats, and system and whatever system or whatever software you use, let it be as base or it can be Cassandra, they have to utilize these formats. Generally, when these systems were designed, they were storing data as raw data, generally as binary data, but it was not performing well. So people came up with some different formats like RC file, ORC, Parquet, and Avro, and they utilize it for storing data nowadays. So coming to the RC file, it's a columnar storage and it allows compression. Columnar is something like uh, if you compare with the relational database where you have one record and several columns, the second record, several columns, it's stored in that way. In columnar data, whole column is stored as a chunk, and second column again is stored as a chunk. And top of it, each column is compressed. And this columnar data access, it allows high compression as well as fast indexing of data. And better format than RC file is ORC, which is optimized row columnar. It allows lightweight indexing and also allows block mode compression and much more other features. So this was uh, more developed by Facebook, although it's an open source project. Another format is a Parquet, where you have not only a columnar storage, it also allows compression and nested data. So in the previous two formats, data was stored as a 2 by 2 grid, like a matrix, or like a data frame where you have two dimension. One is horizontal, second is vertical. Vertically you have columns, horizontally you have columns, and vertically you have records. That's two-dimensional data storage system. And Parquet also allows nested data. Nested is like you can store a table within a cell. That's called nested data. And it also allows page level indexing. So that's the Parquet. And also next format is Avro. It's also very popular format, and more of like it's used by the system, uh, which use characteristics of Avro specifically. It's a row oriented format, unlike the previous three, which are column oriented. Yeah. And if you are looking for some project ideas, you can go and explore these formats and see how they look like, and you can also try to modify them. It's not easy job, but for your internal project you might find some applications, and you might find some ways to tweak this format or to modify them to add or delete some fields so that these formats will work better for your different system or different project.